I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this 108 in the active specification. So this vehicle has great smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth, DAB digital radio, air conditioning, and it also has a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.